Good afternoon. I hope you can hear me today. Okay, it's a little windy. We're going to go over two things today. One, to find your pulse. Two, to check your heart rate. First, in order to find your pulse, there are two different ways. The first way is on your wrist. You're going to take your index finger and your middle finger. You're going to draw down the inside of your thumb, or the inside of your wrist, thumb side, and gently push down on your wrist until you feel a pulse. The second way is you're going to take the same two fingers, run down your jawline towards your throat, and gently push in on your neck until you feel a pulse. Both of these methods are done for 10 seconds, and then you multiply that number by 6. Over the next 3 days, you're going to be taking your heart rate for your resting heart rate and during activity. First thing, when you wake up in the morning on the next 3 days, you're going to take your resting heart rate. Before you get out of bed in the morning, you're going to find your pulse, look at a watch or a clock, and count for 10 seconds. Then you're going to take that number and multiply it by 6. Please make sure you write that number down on the paper provided. Then, during those 3 days, you're going to be doing an aerobic activity for 20 minutes. In the middle of those 20 minutes, so about 10 minutes through your aerobic activity, you're going to stop and then find your pulse again, check your watch, count to 10, count for 10 seconds, and then multiply by 6. So for example, if I was to sit here and jog for 30 seconds, get my heart rate up, 28, 29, 30, I'm going to stop, find my pulse, check my watch, count for 10 seconds, take that number, multiply it by 6, and again, write it on my log under my active heart rate. So that is how you're going to find your resting heart rate and your active heart rate for the next 3 days. Good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.